Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by charging and readying the hardware. This prevents interruptions. Once done, install a third-party updater app like Air Battery or Assistant Trigger because Android lacks native firmware tools. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and pair the Airpods if they aren't already. Pairing lets the app detect device type and serial. Keep the case open and near your phone so the companion app can establish a stable connection before attempting a firmware check or update. Open the Updater app and allow Bluetooth and location permissions. That's why detection works reliably on Android. You'll see your AirPods model and current firmware listed, and the app will query Apple servers for available updates. Tap the Update option when offered. The app may instruct you to keep AirPods in the open case and near the phone. Do not close the app or move the devices. Interruptions can fail the update and require repeating the process. After the update completes, confirm the new firmware version in the app and test playback, microphone, and controls to verify functionality. If the update fails, make sure both AirPods and case are fully charged. Reset the AirPods, hold the case button until status light blinks, and retry the app sequence. This resolves most issues. Finally, keep your Android OS and the Updater app current because compatibility changes can block detection or firmware delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.